or we will make an overlapping shapes structure where we are going to made it in a simple way. So there it is, the design here. So that's the paint.